how to get Bingo Blitz credits. If you have been playing the Bingo Blitz game and wondering on how to get more credits on it and don't know how to do it, don't worry. In today's video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap on to credits right here at the top. Select it. Here you can find credits just like this. Now to get the credit, you can simply buy it. Now tap on to one of the offer just like this. After tapping on it, simply add your payment method and simply buy it. And you can also get the credits by playing the game and winning it. And that's it. This is how you can get the Bingo Blitz credits. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.